Hello, as I posted yesterday about my AC compressor, it's not working, so some of you told me what should I do, well, to test it, if it's working or not, and let's see if we're gonna find the solution. Okay, I'm gonna do it like that, AC on minimum, and let's see. I don't know if you're gonna see it because it's a little bit dark outside, but nothing's spinning, and also the compressor doesn't engage. I don't know why. It ain't happening a thing. So if you have any idea what the fuck should it be, please let me know, because also from here you can't see a damn thing. You know, I already tried to, I already lift the car and to remove the front wheel, since we have that plastic over there, but unfortunately I couldn't see anything. So if you can help me, would be nice. Well, thank you very much.